Hey guys, today me.
I.
Oh. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing the M-03 overhead camera mount by Alright. There's a little picture of it demonstrating that. Got a rod. Got a rubber band. And instructions. And other stuff.
Mounting hardware.
Okay, now we have to read the instructions. This can be unscrewed. Is there another rod inside? No. What?
I wonder what's in here.
Oh. Forgot about that. It works.
Oh, it's a clamp.
And then that goes on there.
Are you sure? Just because it fits doesn't mean that's the way it goes, no.
I don't think that's how that goes.
We have instructions for a reason? Where's that? Oh. We haven't even seen what's in there. There's other stuff in there. Little mounting accessories. Let's see.
Step 1. Fix the strong clip to the desktop.
Clamp or clip? That's a clamp.
Okay, so hold on. I have to disassemble this. Why did I assemble it? Oh, okay, so where's a great position?
Good question.
Here? Oh,
For
wait.
demonstration, we can just put it there for now. Because we're going to, just for now.
Okay.
We can always reposition later.
This is not going to work out the best.
Why can't you unscrew it more?
No, this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did it say you had to clamp it first? Oh, all right.
Assemble the extension rod.
Oh, you had it right. It's okay. It's why.
Sideways.
I know. Do it not clamped. How's that? Just pretend it's clamped and just assemble it. How's that? I don't know.
I actually want to find the position. Maybe right here because it's not.
All right, let's discuss this. Okay, so we have decided to put the clamp there in the back for now.
Hopefully, this is an ideal spot.
Need help?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I think we
Do
have
we need...
wall issues.
Oh, here. Well, then, Scoochie. Here.
What?
There. We don't have wall issues anymore. What's next?
Place the cantilever bracket on the extension rod. Oh, it's this. I hope. Yeah, that's it. We still have a wall issue.
Here. There you go.
Oh, wait.
What happened?
Hold on. Comes with 4 power cord bricks. No, clips. Oh, these. We don't really need them. Oh, this is where you mark the camera. No, like that, right? And then I go. Okay, we can scooch it. Oh dear.
We'll do that in a minute. Is that it's just supposed
Okay.
to just sit in there? Really? Just like so?
Oh, you're supposed to tighten this.
Oh. That would make sense.
Oh, it's gonna unscrew it. It's so tight. Hold on. I'm gonna leave it so it's movable.
Yeah. That's probably the idea.
I think I would like it like that.
Cool.
So like an unworkable area can be moved to like over here.
Yeah.
Probably ideal spot would be here.
Show us what's in those little bags, though.
This is not easy to open.
Oh.
I can't lift this.
Here. Hold up.
It's a mount.
No. Okay.
Alright, so what it is. Oh, this is a phone holder.
Oh, that's a cell phone holder, yeah.
Yeah, can my. Oh.
It's adjustable. Awesome.
I wanna see if my phone fits. Phone.
Cool. Awesome. Okay, and then a mount.
Yes, a mount. A mount that goes on a mount.
Like an adapter mount.
I think I can make that better now. Yeah, that's better.
And then
These are. Oh. That's cool. Anyway. What it is a power cord clip.
so you clip. Okay.
So basically you clip it to here, and then you have the power cord running to the camera. Oh. Or a phone, or whatever you have.
Awesome. All right, so that is all for that overhead camera mount. Awesome. Nice.
Oh. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Now.